Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alright, we from Group 2 will present our final linguistic project. We'll cover three topics, their pragmatic, stylistic, and last landscape linguistic. Before explaining the material we will cover in the future, allow me as moderator to introduce the group member. My name is Muhammad Lukmuin with class in PM number 354 as the group member. And there Java Cayanitias with class in PM number 351 as group member. And last Jika Kalista with NPM number 358 as group leader. Okay, enjoy for watching. This PPT examines linguistic science found at the Ion Tanjung Barat Mall from the perspective of pragmatic, stylistic linguistic, and linguistic landscape. The study aims to analyze how language on public science function to convey information, regulate visitor behavior, persuade the public, and represent sociocultural values in a commercial public space. Ion Tanjung Barat Mall is one of the contemporary shopping malls located in South Jakarta that function as a public space for both commercial and social activities. As a modern public facility, the mall accommodates various activities such as shopping, dining, entertainment, and social interaction. Okay, next.
From a stylistic perspective, for this first photo, I analyzed the store signs, health, and beauty. The language is very simple and familiar, so people can understand it easily. The words health and beauty have positive meanings and are often linked to self-care and confidence. The use of the impression makes the phrase shorter and more modern. Even without figurative language, the sign suggests that health and appearance are both important in everyday life.
Okay, from landscape linguistic perspective, this logo is categorized as a bottom sign because it was created by business people and influencer rather than by the government or any visual institution. Its purpose is mainly commercial, aiming to promote health product and attract customer or consumer through appealing visual, and the sign is flexible, informal, and not restricted by standardized rules, showing that it comes from personal or community initiative. Okay, next.
Okay, the next slide. Welcome to the world of man, pregnancy, MPSC, breastfeeding, and little ones. Analysis pragmatics. The sign functions as a persuasive and informative speech as the welcomes visitor and directs them to a motherhood and related section.
From a stylistic perspective, this follows how the sign "Welcome to the world of moms." The phrase "Welcome to" sounds friendly and inviting, making the audience feel included. The words "the world of moms" suggest the shared space relates to motherhood. Supporting words like pregnancy, breastfeeding, and empathy clearly describe different states of parenting. The simple vocabulary creates a warm and supportive impression.
Okay, from linguistic landscape perspective, this banner is categorized as a bottom-up sign because it was created for brand advertising or even commemoration rather than by any government or official institution. Its purpose is commercial, aiming to promote a specific brand and attract customer through appealing visual and message. Okay, next.
And the next slide, style starts now. Analysis pragmatics. The sun function as a persuasive speed at the encourage immediate shopping activity.
From a stylistic perspective, design uses very short and clear language. The word sale quickly tells people that there is a discount, and start now creates a sense of urgency. The simple structure makes the message easy to read for people walking past. The bright red background supports the text and attract attention.
And from a linguistic landscape perspective, this banner is categorized as a bottom sign because it was created for brand advertising or even commemoration rather than by any government or official institution. Its purpose is commercial, aiming to promote a specific brand and attract customer through appealing visual and message. The design content are flexible, informal, and easily adjusted, showing that the banner originates from individual or organizational initiative. Next.
The next slide, New Year special deals. Analysis pragmatics. The digital signs function as a persuasive speed ads by promosi ongoing promotional offers.
From a stylistic perspective, design used the phrase New Year special deals. The word New Year's relates to celebration and new beginnings, while special deals clearly suggest discount. The price is short, familiar, and easy to understand. The digital display helps the message stand out.
And from linguistic landscape perspective, this banner is categorized as bottom up because it was created by a private business owner, not by the government or any official institution. As locally product sign, this banner reflect the economic interest, personal initiative, and cultural identity of surrounding community. This banner serves primarily as a form of celebration such as for New Year's and certain local events rather than as a medium for enforcing language policies or regulation. Next slide.
Okay, the next slide. Sport station. Analysis pragmatics. The sign up function as an informative space ads that identifies a sport retail store and its products.
From a stylistic perspective, this image shows the sign sports station, which use direct and clear language. The word sports immediately relates to physical activities, while station suggests a central place to find sport-related needs. The use of capital letters gives the sign strong and confident appearance. Without figurative language, the, the wording still creates an active and energetic feelings.
And from linguistic landscape perspective, this banner is categorized as a bottom up billboard because it was created by a brand or mini market, not by any official institution. Its primary function is to promote the store's product by showcasing various discount intended to attract customer and encourage them to make a purchase. Okay, next slide.
Okay, the next slide. Let's make waves. Analysis pragmatics. The slogan function as a motivational and persuasive speech as the invites confidence and action.
From a stylistic perspective, this phrase, let's make waves, use inclusive and encourage language. The word let's invites people to join rather than giving a comment. Although it is not meant literally, the phrase is commonly understood as creating impact or specific change. The wording feels motivating and easy to connect with.
From perspective In linguistic landscape, this banner is categorized as a bottom-up sign because it was created by a private business owner for advertising purpose, not by the government or any official institution. Its presence reflect the economic interests of the business, include efforts to attract customer, promote product, and strengthen the brand visibility within the community. Okay, next.
Okay, the next slide. Make it loud and make the face. Make waves. The analysis is pragmatic. The slogan function as a motivational directive that encourages both self-experience and impact.
From a stylistic perspective, the slogan "Make it loud, make waves" use simple and balanced language. The repetition of the words makes the phrase easy to remember. Words like loud and waves suggest energy and expression. Supposed to the music relates visual, the message feel gaining.
and from and from and perspective from landscape linguistic, this banner is categorized as a bottom sign because it was created by a private business owner for advertising purpose, not by the government or any official institution. Its presence reflect the economic interest of the business, including efforts to attract customer, promote product, and strengthen the brand visibility within the community. The banner also represent the identity of the business and uh, its influencer, highlighting a creative and commercial intention. Okay, next.
Okay, the next slide. Southgate and Sky Garden. The analysis pragmatic. The sign-up function as a directive and informative space adds the guides visitor to specific location and facility.
From a stylistic perspective, this photo saw a direction side to Sky Garden. The arrow clearly saw direction, while the word Sky Garden suggests a presentation. The use of icon helps deliver information quickly. The simple design makes the sign easy to understand for all visitors.
And from a linguistic landscape perspective, the sign was in the shopping center display a series of information symbol that fall into the top-down category in linguistic landscape studies. The SEN is product by an official institution and carries a regulator function because it provides clear direction for visitors. The information includes guidance to the toilets, disability uh, facilities, breastfeeding room, pry room, and the route to the sky garden. Okay, next.
And the next slides, stationery section available. Go check it out. The analysis formatting the sign up function as informative space adds the informs visitor about the availability of stationery products.
From a stylistic perspective, in this image, the text stationery section available, go check it now, combines information and invitation. The first part informs visitor, while the second part encourages action in a friendly way. The short phrase makes the message easily to notice.
And from linguistic landscape perspective, this billboard is categorized as bottom-up billboard because it was created by the mall owner for commercial purpose and to celebrate the Christmas event, unlike signs product by the government bodies or official institution. This billboard is designed independently by the operate business to attract customer during the holiday season. Its festive visual and promotional message aim to capture visitors' attention and encourage them to participate in very small activities. Okay, next slide.
And the last analysis, Dance Life X. The analysis of chromatics. design a function as informative and promotional, speech as the identifies and promotes a dance related to venue.
From a stylistic perspective, design dance live acts use bold and expressive language. The word dance relates to movement and creativity, while live suggests passion and lifestyle. The latter acts as a modern and agile impression. The capital letter strengthens the visual impact.
And from linguistic landscape perspective, this logo is categorized as a bottom-up logo because it was created by business people and influencer, not by government or any official institution. Its main purpose is commercial, aiming to promote the band's product and attract customer on consumer through appealing visual elements. The flexible and informal design so that the logo originates from the personal or community initiative rather than a regular source. This informal character clearly distinguishes it from top-down logos, which are usually formal, standardless, uh, i- and used by official authorities. Okay, next slide. The conclusion: the study saw the public sign at Ayan Tanjung Barat Mall mainly function as informative, directive, and persuasive speech acts that guide the influence visitor in a commercial setting. Stylistically, the sign use concise language, imperative prompts, and English experience to create clarity and a modern impression. From a linguistic landscape perspective, most sign is top-down in nature, reflecting institutional control and commercial interests. Overall, public sign plays an important role in facilitating communication in and enhancing visitor experience within the mall. Okay, thank you for thank you very much, and thank you for attention. We apologize for any mistake or any words to we have been inappropriate. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.